Children, let us continue the next topic in coordinate geometry, section formula. Here we want to find the coordinates of xy. That point divides a line into two ratios m1 and m2. That is, for example, this is a line segment and it is named as AB and P is the point, and P divides AB in the ratio m1 is to m2. For finding the coordinates of P, we are using the section formula where x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2, and y is equal to m1y2 plus m2y1 by m1 plus m2. Question number 1 from exercise 7.2. Coordinates of the point be xy. We want to find the coordinates of xy, that is coordinates of the point, and ratio is given as 2 is to 3, that is m1 is to m2 is 2 is to 3, where x1 y1 is given as negative 1 7 and x2 y2 is given as 4 negative 3, that is the points negative 1 7 and 4 negative 3 divides in the ratio 2 is to 3. We want to find the value of x and y, that is coordinates of that point. Let us substitute that value. What is x? X is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 x2. What is m1? That is 2. x2 is 4 plus m2 is 3. x1 is negative 1 by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 is 5. So 8 minus 3 by 5, 5 by 5 is 1. So we got the value of x as 1, that is x coordinate is 1. Then find the value of y, that is y coordinate. We want to substitute m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. 2 into negative 3, that is negative 6. 3 into 7, 21 by 5. So it is 15 by 5 is equal to 5. Therefore coordinates are 1, 5. In the second question, it is given that the line segment divides into 3 equal parts. That is, we want to find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment. Here, let us consider the line segment AB. It is divided into 3 equal parts. That is, PQ are the 2 points, and AP equal to PQ equal to QB. Then what will be the ratios? Here AP is to PB is 1 is to 2. AQ is to QB is 2 is to 1. Using that ratio, we want to find the coordinates of P and Q. Then let us find the coordinates of P and coordinates of Q. First we want to take the points A and B. A 4 negative 1 and B negative 2 negative 3, and we find the coordinates of P since AP is to PB is 1 is to 2. Here x is equal to 1 into negative 2 plus 2 into 4 by 1 plus 2. That is negative 2 plus 8 by 3, 6 by 3 is equal to 2. The next y is equal to 1 into negative 3 plus 2 into negative 1 by 1 plus 2. That is negative 3 minus 2 by 3. It is negative 5 by 3. Therefore, we got the coordinates of P as 2, negative 5 by 3. Then we want to find the coordinates of Q. Coordinates of Q. Since AQ is to QB is 2 is to 1. This is taken as M1 is to M2. Then A4 negative 1, B negative 2, negative 3. Then using section formula, we will get x is equal to 2 into negative 2 plus 1 into 4 by 3. That is negative 4 plus 4 by 3, that is 0. And y 2 into negative 3 plus 1 into negative 1 by 3. Negative 6 minus 1 by 3, that is negative 7 by 3. So we got the coordinates of Q as 0, negative 7 by 3. In the third question, it is given that 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from each other along AD. And we want to find the coordinates of P as. Through P, we can draw a line parallel to y-axis. So we will get x coordinate of P as 2. And 1/4 of distance AD, that is 25. So y coordinate is 25. And the same way we can find the coordinates of Q as 8 and 20. Since through 8 line, that flag is there, and 1/5 of the distance AD, 1/5 of 100, that is 20. So 8, 20 and 2, 25. Here we want to find the midpoint of PQ. How we can find the midpoint? That is 8 plus 2 by 2 and 20 plus 25 by 2. So 8 plus 2, 10, 10 by 2, 5. 20 plus 25, 45 by 2 is 22.5. So we got the coordinates of midpoint of PQ, that is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. And we can write blue flag at 22.5 meter on 5th line, that is 5th x coordinate representing that line and y coordinate representing that point, 22.5. Then how can we find the distance between the flag? Using the distance formula, we can write root of 8 minus 2 whole square plus 20 minus 25 whole square. So it is 8 minus 2, 6, 6 square 36 and 20 minus 25 is negative 5. Negative 5 whole square is also 25. So answer is root 61. Then fourth question. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining negative 3, 10, 6, negative 8 and divided by the point negative 1, 6. The coordinates of two endpoints are negative 3, 10 and 6, negative 8, and that line is divided by the point negative 1, 6. Then using section formula, we can substitute the value of x, that is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. So m1 into 6 plus m2 into negative 3 by m1 plus m2, since that is given as negative 1. Then cross multiplying, 6m1 minus 3m2 equal to negative of m1 plus m2. Then 6m1 minus 3m2 equal to, move negative into the bracket, so negative m1 minus m2. So 6m1 plus m1 equals negative m2 plus 3m2. So 6 plus 1, 7m1 equal to 2m2. Then m1 by m2 equal to 2 by 7. So m1 is to m2 equal. Find the ratio where the point at x-axis divides the line AB in the ratio. So we want to find the ratio where A1 negative 5 and B negative 4, 5 are the points, and it is divided by the point x0, since the point at the x-axis denoted by x0. Since y is equal to 0, we can equalize the value of y. So m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 into y2 5 plus m2 into y1 negative 5 by m1 plus m2 equal to 0. Cross multiplying, we will get 5m1 minus 5m2 equal to 0. So minus 5m1 equal to 5m2, not minus, plus 5m1 equal to 5m2. So m1 by m2 equal to 5 by 5 equal to 1 by 1. That is m1 is to m2 equal to 1 is to 1. Next question. Vertices of the parallelogram are taken in order. Find x and y. Here 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the parallel vertices of the parallelogram. And we want to consider the diagonals. Diagonals bisect each other. That means P here, P is the midpoint of the diagonal AC and DB. Since P is the midpoint, we want to find the midpoint of AC and midpoint of DB. So midpoint of AC, since x1 plus x2 by 2, 1 plus x by 2 and y2 plus y1 by 2, 2 plus 6 by 2, 1 plus x by 2 and 2 plus 6, 8, 8 by 2, 4. So x plus 1 by 2 and 4. And BD, that is 4 plus 3 by 2, 7 by 2 and y plus y by 2. Then we can equalize, since P is representing the same point, that means P is the midpoint of AC and DB. Therefore, 7 by 2, it is equal to x plus 1 by 2. X plus 1 by 2 equal to 7 by 2. That is, x is equal to 7 minus 1, or x plus 1 is equal to 7. So x is equal to 6. Then second one, y plus y by 2 equal to 4. So 5 plus y by 2 equal to 4 means 5 plus y is equal to 8. So y is equal to 8 minus y is equal to, here AB is the diameter and let O be the center. The center is having the coordinates 2, negative 3 and B is 1, 4. And this point A we want to find. We know the midpoint of AB is O. So we can here we can use the section formula. That means how we can find midpoint. So A plus B coordinates, let A having coordinates x1 and y1. So x1 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Then x1 is equal to 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Then x2, then y1 can be the coordinates, y coordinate of A. Then y1 plus 4 by 2 equal to negative 3. That is, y1 plus 4 equal to negative 6, y1 equal to negative 10. So we got the coordinates of A as 3 and negative 10. Then 8th question, if A and B are having coordinates negative 2, negative 2 and 2, negative 4, and find the coordinates of P such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 AB. From this we can write AP by AB equal to 3 by 7. So this is the rough figure, and total 7 divisions are there. Then out of that 3 representing AP, so remaining 4 represented PB. So AP is to PB is equal to 3 is to 4. That is, ratio M1 is to M2 is equal to 3 is to 4. Since AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7, let us take total is 7. Total is considered as 7. Out of that AP is 3. Then what is remaining? 7 minus 3 is 4. Then let us take the coordinates of P as xy. Using section formula, we will get P into 3 into 2 plus 4 into negative 2 by 3 plus 4. And y coordinate is 3 into negative 4 plus 4 into negative 2 by 3 plus 4. Then after simplifying, we will get P into 6 minus 8 by 7, negative 12 minus 8 by 7. 6 minus 8 is negative 2, so negative 2 by 7, and negative 12 minus 8, negative 20 by 7. So P representing negative 2 by 7 and negative 20 by 7. Ninth one, Find the coordinates of the point which divide the line segment joining A -2 to B 28 into 4 equal parts. So here AB is the line segment. 4 equal parts means first we want to draw a line segment. If we are marking midpoint, we know it divides into 2 equal parts. Again I take first half, then find the midpoint, then we will get 2 equal parts. The same way we can divide the next part of the line segment, so we will get the same. So using that method I marked AB first, then P, then midpoint of AP is Q and midpoint of PB is R. Then AB is given as -2 2 and 2 8. So what is the midpoint? -2 plus 2 0, 2 plus 8 10. So -2 plus 2 by 2 is 0 and 2 plus 8 by 2 10 by 2 is equal to 5. Then after finding the coordinates of P, we want to find the coordinates of Q. That means midpoint of AP. Then P is 0 5 and A is -2 2. So -2 plus 0 by 2 and 5 plus 2 by 2. So -2 plus 0. -2 plus 0 is -2. -2 by 2 is -1. And 5 plus 2 by 2. 5 plus 2 7. 7 by 2. That is midpoint of AP, that is Q, represented by the coordinates -1 and 7 by 2. Then R is the midpoint of PB. Here the figure is there. R is the midpoint of PB. Then R is 0 plus 2 by 2 and 5 plus 8 by 2. 0 plus 2 by 2, that is 2 by 2 is equal to 1 and 5 plus 8 13. 13 by 2. 10th question, we want to find the area of the rhombus. We know a rhombus having equal sides, and we know area of a rhombus is half d1 d2. Area is equal to half d1 d2. For that we want to find the length of PR and SQ. PR is equal to -1 minus 3 whole square plus 4 minus 0 whole square. Then after reducing we will get √32. The same way we can find the length of SQ. Length of SQ is 4 minus -2 whole square plus 5 minus -1 whole square. 4 plus 2 36 plus 5 plus 1 36. That means 4 plus 2 whole square is 36 and 5 plus 1 whole square is 36. Adding we will get √72. Here we get √32. First of all we want to convert into this way, that is 4√2 is 32 and 6√2 is 72. Here area of that figure is half d1 d2. d1 is √32 and d2 is √72. Before multiplying these two numbers we want to change into that, so 4√2 and 6√2. So half into 4√2 into 6√2. So we can multiply 4 into 6 24, √2 into √2 2. So half into 4 into 6 into 2. 4 into 6 24, 24 into 2 by 2. That is 12 unit square. So we completed all exercise questions in the textbook from the chapter coordinate geometry. I think all of you completed all. Check your answer.